Oh man, I gotta call my dad. See if he can help me put this hitch on.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, what's up, dude? I just picked up that receiver hitch.
Oh, really? Good.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe you could help me put it on today. What you got going on?
Not much. I'm just sitting around reading a magazine. Yeah, if you want to come on by, we'll when you get done, get here. We'll back it into the garage and put that hitch on and get you squared away.
Yo.
Hey man, where are you? I thought you was gonna be here in just a minute.
I think I'm lost.
No, that's not unusual. I think you're lost sometimes too.
I'm gonna turn around. This is crazy.
Subscribe now.
All right, go
So
ahead.
what
Todd.
do you think?
I'm gonna. Yeah, go ahead. What?
Well, what the? No, how the heck is this thing even gonna go in there?
I don't know. We're gonna work it out. But I need you to pry the bumper just a little bit so it flexes, because this has got to go up underneath here, so we can get the bolt through, and the other end works better. I'll kind of place it for you.
So is this tab gonna go like underneath here?
Yeah.
Okay, and then the bolt's just gonna go straight through, screw it into here?
That's correct. That's
All
correct. Yeah, come over to me. Yeah, that's good right there. All right, so I got to force this up underneath that metal bumper. And if you pry it, there we go. Hey, that dropped right in there, man. Good. All right, you're good. Turn it loose. Thanks. Perfect.
So,
All right.
you know what they say about big bolts?
Yeah, I know. You have to have a big nut driver. All right, so what we got to do is get this up under here, line that hole up. We should be right in the center. And
Oh,
If you
don't
can-
hit my finger.
yeah, wash your fingers. My theory is if you can't fix it, you ain't got a big enough hammer. But we'll drive it forward a little bit, and then
Is there
hand me
a
that.
washer?
Yeah, there is. Where's the washer? There's also some never sees right there. We'll put some never sees on here, so that 20 years or 10 years, when somebody starts taking this apart,
Yeah,
it'll come apart. It'll protect the threads.
yeah.
A little of that goo on there.
Here's a big nut driver.
Yeah, and so there's a washer. There's a big black flat washer on the work table. I'll hold this in position on this work table with the light on over there.
All right.
So you go get that for me.
That one?
That's it. So that's gonna go right there. And then if we've got this lined up,
Don't forget about the big washer.
yeah, let me see if it's. So we got it lined up. Have you got the socket wrench?
I don't have the socket wrench.
I thought you had it. I don't know where it is.
I don't have it. Maybe it's over here.
Could be.
Did you find it?
No. Oh, there it is in your back pocket.
Oh, crap. I didn't know that's what you were looking for. I thought you meant the other nut driver.
No, this is what I was looking for right here.
You're making it look easy. I thought this was going to be a disaster.
Yeah, I did too.
If I was doing it, it'd be a disaster because I'm mechanically declined. You know there's problems when you have to go to suddenly
Well, I just
to
double
the...
checking before I
Yeah.
go the trouble of. No, see, it shows the bolt coming through and coming out here, then the washers go out here.
Yeah.
But it doesn't show that. Yeah, it does. It shows that thing on there. That I just tried to fish through there, but it wouldn't go.
Uh-oh. What do you think?
I don't think.
I'm guessing that if it's got screws and bolts, all the bolts should be used.
Well, ideally, yeah.
But in our situation, it's rarely ideal.
Well, it'll just be on the other end. Doesn't matter that much.
Are you having to fish it through again?
Yeah, I think so. Because we need to put a washer on the other side. I was afraid of that shit.
What?
So I go and I might not ever get back out.
You're trying to pull it back out?
Yeah, I want it to come through, but it won't come through. Because that washer's too big. There's an little red light. Got a smaller light around here someplace.
Your little red light, it's way out of reach.
Yeah. Oh, the switch is going bad.
I think the switcher's gone bad.
I can't see it.
So I'm guessing you're saying it's stuck up there?
Well, for now.
It's just temporary
Right.
until we figure out how to get it out of there.
That's right. I just didn't want that bolt to go back down in the hole.
Yeah. So then the end of the bolt you can't even get to anyway?
No, because it's inside this
stuck
tube.
inside the tube.
Yeah.
Well, how the hell did they think?
Well, because that's what
shit's
that
gonna
other
work.
thing's going to do.
If you can't get to it to hold up the end of it.
Well, that's what that other nut's for. This thing right here.
Yeah.
See this? Where's the other bolts and stuff? So this has a square head on it.
Yeah,
And
but
with
you
that
couldn't
in
get
there-
that. You couldn't get the square
I couldn't
bolt
get
through
that-
there.
I couldn't get that through there, but I got another idea.
Yeah.
So
So you're gonna try to fish that? Are you gonna?
We'll try to get the tire down.
Well, shit. Let me get out of here before you drop the tire on my ass.
Well, I don't think that's going to happen
I do.
because problem number one.
You can't get to it, I know. But the first problem is I don't want my face getting smashed by a spare tire.
Well, it ain't going to come down.
Yeah, right. You know my luck. That tire's gonna fall on my freaking head. Good thing I asked you what you were doing. If I was stranded on the side of the road and had to do this, I'd be SOL.
You just call a tow truck.
Yeah, there's no way I'd sit on the side of the road somewhere and try to fish that thing through to the bolt. Of all the things in the world they could do for a spare tire,
This has got to be the hardest.
yeah, this is the most ridiculous crap I've ever seen. Good one, Dodge.
There's a thing in the center that's kind of out of center. That's the reason that thing won't go on there.
Yeah, but the thing, it looks like you can see the bolt, but it's not actually even the bolt.
No, it's not a bolt.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
It's
I know, but all right.
It is a bolt. So you got that other one on like you wanted?
I don't have it fully tightened yet, but it's
Uh-huh.
it will. You see my little needle nose pliers?
That's about it, isn't it?
Uh-uh.
It's not. We got more bolts.
No, that's it. Yeah, really.
Yeah.
If I could find my little needle nose pliers.
Well, it's not spinning now. Looks like it's doing right. That thing's not going anywhere.
Mm-mm.
That thing's so solid, even with just the one bolt in there. I would have never figured it out myself.
Well, it took a lot longer than what I planned.
I figured it was going to take like an hour and a half, maybe.
We get down to about 85 pounds.
I'd rather it be torqued than me torqued. I get torqued off. Dude, that's some serious...
All right, dude, she's done.
We done?
Yeah.
Y'all heard that? We're done. We got it done.